Do you hear the sound of the wind? It's whispering, whispering. Shh. Do you see the waves on the water? They're glistening, glistening. Shh. Do you feel the cool of the breeze, the warmth of the sun? And do you hear the song of the birds, never lacking in joy, though they're lacking in words? And do you want to see the dance of the leaves composed by the breeze, or the colors so bright, the red of the rose, the blue of the sky, the daisies in white, the green of the grass, all put on display by the glorious light of the sun, so vast and so bright, ever there pushing back the dark of the night. And though I can't see his face, he enables my sight. Now I see. Do you hear the sound of the wind? It's whispering, whispering, shh. If you want to hear, why are you not listening, listening?